So we did number lines. We did fractions on a number line. So I lost my one pen. I don't know where it went. Our focus for today is actually going to be, oops, spell fractions on a number line. We're actually going to have two focuses. This will be our first one. Okay. Yes, Holly, math journal. So we're just going to do two quick examples of fraction number line because we did do this on Friday and a lot of you told me it's pretty easy. And when I was actually looking through and going through all of our assignment, our independent practices that we did really, really well on it. Y'all did very, very well on your fractions on a number line. So I was very impressed. So we're going to do some examples. So the first thing I want you to do is draw your number line. Remember, we start with 0. We draw our number line and we end at 1. Okay, so if I give you a number line that has it has 5 lines. So what would this look like? What fractions would be going on in this? Camila, how can I find the fraction that should go on the bottom? What can I count?
So do like that number out of 4.
Count what are these?
The squares.
The spaces.
Space.
So to get my number on the bottom, I'm going to count the spaces. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how do I get my top number? I'm just going to count the what?
The lines.
The lines. Good job, Gabriel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember, you don't have to put this 6 out of 6 under 1, but you can put it to help you double check to make sure that this number matches this number. Because when you're counting these lines, whatever number is on the top of this should match the bottom of this. Okay. All right, ready? We're going to do one. I'm going to let y'all do one by yourself. Okay. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. I want you to try this one by yourself.
This is so easy.
Good. I'm glad it's easy. I want it to be easy. So try this one by yourself. Okay, and then when you're done, I want you to hold it up.
Michelle, is mine good?
Good, Walter. Holly, hold it a little closer. Good, Holly. When you're done, hold it up so I can see it. I've seen Walter's and I've seen Holly's. This should be super easy. Good, Isabella. Good, Dimitri. Good, Bella. Grace, make sure, Grace, for your bottom number, I know you weren't here on Friday. For your bottom number, make sure you're counting the spaces. Good, Miles. All right, so counting the spaces, I have how many spaces?
4. And 5.
5. Woo. Yes, I have 5 spaces. So what's my bottom number going to be?
1, 5.
I'm going to have 5, 5.
5. All 5.
Yep. And then what am I going to do? Count the
Top ones. 1.
top ones. I'm going to count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm making sure this matches this. I got 5 out of 5. So I would definitely suggest for right now to write this fraction underneath that 1 when you're doing the number line, just to make sure that you've gotten that bottom number right, okay? Just to clarify that you've gotten that bottom number right, because sometimes it'll help you make sure that you've double checked, okay? All right. So thumbs up if you feel like you need another number line example. Thumbs down if you're like, no, I'm good, I've got it.
I want another one.
Thumbs up. Well, okay, thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up if you feel like you need another one. Thumbs down if you're like, nope, I've got it. Okay. All right, well, I've got majority thumbs down, so I'm going with that we got it. Brayden, are you good? How do you feel about this? Because you and Grace are the ones I want to make sure have it because y'all weren't here Friday.
Actually, this seems pretty easy to me.
Okay, good. So I want to make sure because y'all were my two that weren't here Friday, so I just want to make sure y'all understood this because this is new.
Anyways, I learned this.
Okay. Okay. So now we're actually going to kind of switch our focus just a little bit, not a lot. But we're actually now going to take our number line that we've learned, and we're going to actually now show a fraction in 4 different ways. So I've shown you how to model fractions in 4 different ways. Can someone tell me what are those 4 different ways that I've showed you? I showed you one right
Number
here.
line.
Number line.
Standard algorithm.
That's addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. Number line. There's also the
Circles.
circle model. There's also the
Triangle model. I know one. The bar model and
the strip diagram.
strip diagram.
And then
Parts of a set.
Huh?
Parts of a set.
and then parts of a set. So we have circle model, number line, parts of a set, and strip diagram or bar model. Okay, those are the 4 different ones we've learned. So I want you to make a box. Okay, and then we're going to put a circle in the middle of the box. And we're going to have 4 squares inside our box. Well, they're kind of rectangles, not really squares. This is going to be our strip diagram. This is going to be our circle model. Then we're going to have parts of a set. Then our number line.
You have to draw a circle in the middle.
Yes, please. Because we're going to write our fraction that we're representing in the middle. All right, so the fraction we're going to work with, we're going to go kind of easy today, just because I want to kind of just get us a little warmed up. We're going to go with 1/2. Okay, we're going to go with 1/2. So for my strip, yes, seriously. For my strip diagram, what am I going to draw? What shape do I need to draw to make my strip diagram? What shape? What shape do I need to draw to make my strip diagram? What?
Rectangle.
Grace, oh, Grace. Sorry, I didn't see Grace raising her hand.
A rectangle.
A rectangle. So we're gonna draw a rectangle. Okay. Raiden, what am I gonna do to that rectangle?
Divide it into 2 parts.
Divide it into 2 parts. So I'm gonna divide it in half. Then to show 1/2, I need to do what? To show 1/2, I need to
Color in a square.
Good. I'm going to color in a square. Because then this would be 1/2. And then I can even write down here 1/2, 1/2. If I want to make sure I'm showing this is 1/2, this is 1/2. Strip diagram's pretty easy. All right, circle model. Circle model. Kaysen, what do I need to draw for my circle model? What shape?
A circle.
Oh, Kaysen?
A circle.
A circle. And Kaysen, what should I do with my circle?
Make lines
Okay, where should I make the line?
in the middle.
In the middle. So for this one, you can actually either do it here or you can do it here. Both are considered 1/2. And then Kaysen, what do I need to do?
Color one.
Color one. Very nice. And then I can do the same thing I did with my strip diagram. I want to write 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, just to kind of double check myself. just to make sure I've done it right. All right, now we get a little bit harder. What about parts of a set? What do I need to draw? What should I draw?
2 circles, 1 shape.
2 circles. And how many am I going to shade?
1.
1. Okay, and notice the circles are separate. Okay, they're not together, they're separate. So then this would be 1/2, and this would be 1/2. My circles are separate, they're not together. All right, and last but not least,
Number line.
number line. How many lines do I need to draw on my number line to show 1/2?
2.
Is it 2? Are you sure?
3.
1/2, Holly. 1. Because then look, Holly, I have 2 spaces.
1, but I didn't think you could do 1. I forgot.
Yeah, you can do 1. You can always do 1. So look, then I have 2 spaces, right? So then when I go to write my fractions, I know I have 1, 2. So that means I have to have a 2 on the bottom. And then I'm going to count my lines. 1, 2. And then these match. I've double checked. I'm good. Okay. I feel like this should be pretty easy. We should be good at this. Are we good on this? Thumbs up if you feel confident you can do one of these by yourself. Thumbs down if you're like, ooh, I don't know about that. Thumbs up if you said, yes, I'm good, I got it. Thumbs down if you're like, I don't know. Ooh, good, I have lots of thumbs up. Yay, all right, I don't have any thumbs down. Good. Okay, so we have one more thing. I'm going to show you our independent practice because I actually want to do the last question with you because we are going to, I'm just going to show you / introduce how our test takers or our test makers can introduce us to fractions in a word problem, okay? So I've picked 2 easy ones for today and tomorrow. They're really easy, but I want us to do it together because I just want you to make sure you understand how to read it and how to do it. Okay, so this is the first page. You're doing missing numbers on a number line. This should be super easy. All you're doing is filling in the number lines. And I would highly suggest typing your fractions so that they're clean and easy to read. Because some of you gave me some very difficult fractions to read on Friday. It was a little bit messy and I could not read it. So I would suggest typing it, especially because these boxes are a little small. Then you're going to do the same thing we just did. So use your notebook to help you if you don't remember. All right. So here's our word problem. It says, Sarah bought a stick of sugar candy at the state fair. Her mom said she could eat 1/8 of it every day until it was gone. How many days will it take Sarah to eat the stick of sugar candy? And then it says, draw a number line to help you. Okay, so what do you think the first thing I should do is?
Put the 0 and the 1. We'll put the.
Okay.
do
So
the
I
number
need to draw
line.
what am I going to draw, Holly?
Your number line.
My number line. Okay. So I'm going to draw my number line. So I'm going to use the little bar from the thing. Okay, so I'm going to draw my number line.
The problem is so obvious.
Okay, well, that's good if it is. So I'm going to put my 0 and I'm going to put my 1.
Eat one each day.
So if it says, so my problem says that she can eat 1/8 of it every day. 1/8. She can eat 1/8. So if I do, and I want to know how many days it will take her to eat the whole thing. Oops. Oh man, sorry, I'm trying to get the eraser and erase what I just wrote. Okay. So this one's going to be a little bit different because my lines are not already there for me. So instead, I'm going to start going 1.
I'm like, girl, that's paying your
over
bills.
8.
Right?
Then I'm going to do, so that's 1 day. So now what do I need to do? What's my next fraction? I have 1/8. Then I'm going to do, what's my next number?
2/8.
2/8. Then I'm going to do 2/8. Then I'm going to do 3. Oop, that was not a nice 3. Then I'm going to do 3/8.
4/8.
4/8.
5/8.
5/8.
6.
Am I done? Hold on, am I done? Has she eaten the whole thing? Has she eaten this whole piece of candy yet?
No.
Nope, she hasn't eaten all of it yet. Then I have 5/8. Then I'm going to have 6/8. 7/8. And then what goes under my 1? What's the final number? I have 7/8. What comes next? What number comes after 7?
8/8.
8/8. Okay. So then I need to answer the question. How many days will it take Sarah to eat the whole candy? How many days is it going to take her? What is my last number I got to?
8.
8. So it'll take her 8 days. Okay. So this is what it would look like to see a fraction in word problem format. Okay. I just want you to get an idea of it. This is what it would look like in word problem format. Okay,